Several of the 3M brand one-pass application tools' general features include: the pressure wheels guide the duct into place during installation and ensure that the duct follows the path of the tool. The pressure wheels also position the duct in the proper location to remove the liner as the duct is applied to the wall. Because of the unique design of the installation tool, the liner is only removed just before application to the wall. When applying the fiber-filled duct to the wall, the leading pressure wheel locates and places the duct, while the following pressure wheel guides on the installed duct to help maintain straightness and apply additional compressive force to the adhesive. The handle assembly is the location where the tool connects to the extension pole. This handle translates the input force from the operator to the spring slide assembly located on the front face of the tool. This is the force used to apply the duct to the wall. Once the springs and pressure plate move from their at-rest position, the proper amount of force to apply the duct to the wall is being applied. The handle assembly also pivots through a range of motion to increase comfort during installation. The liner guide openings are located on each end of the tool. These openings trap and guide the liner as the tool moves down the wall, installing the duct. More details of these features are included in the installation instruction manual. The guide bar assembly is used to locate the tool with respect to the reference surface being used to apply the duct. This assembly consists of the adjustable guide bar, the guide wheels on the end of the guide bar, and the locking pin used to secure the guide bar assembly in place once the duct offset, or distance from the reference surface, has been selected. The 3M brand one-pass application tool can be adjusted for several offset locations, ranging from 1/4 of an inch offset up to 3 1/2 inch offset of the duct. Each of the holes in the guide bar correspond to a different offset location. To adjust the offset bars, simply remove the locking pin from the guide bar and slide the guide bar assembly to the appropriate position in the tool. Reinsert the locking pin once this action is complete, and repeat for the other guide bar assembly. Check to make sure both guide bars are in the same offset location after adjusting, to ensure proper tool performance during installation. Each end of the tool is equipped with a liner removal post and spring-loaded, adjustable stripper plate. The assembly is adjusted for the direction of travel. When traveling to the left, applying left-handed duct, the left-hand stripper plate assembly is adjusted to the apply location, and the right-hand stripper plate assembly is adjusted to the follow position. Adjusting these plates for the direction of travel is important and will help to ensure no interference of the tool will occur as the trailing portion of the tool passes over the already installed duct. These positions are reversed when traveling in a right-hand direction down the wall when installing the duct. When using the tool for installing the duct, both of the stripper plate assemblies should never be in the same apply or follow position. The 3M brand one-pass fiber pathway filled duct can be installed in a variety of locations on a variety of surfaces. Occasionally, textured walls or ceilings will be present in the area of installation. When a textured ceiling is present, when a textured reference surface, such as a popcorn ceiling or a highly textured ceiling, is encountered, texture wheels are used to reference this surface. The mounting holes for the texture wheels are located on the right and left-hand support bracket. When using the texture wheels with 1/4 or 1/2 inch offset, the guide bar assembly is removed from the tool. 3M recommends a minimum of 1/2 inch of offset for the fiber-filled duct. The lower hole is for 1/4 inch offset and the upper hole is for 1/2 inch offset. Thread the texture wheels into the appropriate locations. Check to make sure both texture wheels are in the same offset location prior to installation to help ensure proper tool performance during installation. The texture wheel assemblies should only be hand-tightened and should not be assembled to the tool when the tool is being stored in the protective case. When a duct offset larger than 1/2 inch is required, The texture wheels can be threaded into the adjustable guide bar assemblies to achieve these larger offsets of up to 3 1/2 inches. The threaded hole for the texture wheel assembly is located at the top end of the guide bar, just below the bend. To install the texture wheel assembly onto the guide bar, the guide wheel must first be removed. Remove the guide wheel and shoulder screw with the appropriate hex tool and store in the protective case for later reassembly. Remember, the texture wheel assembly is only threaded into the guide bar when an offset larger than 1/2 inch is selected.